Lapit na tayo kakanan doon sa tulay na yon sa ating pupuntahan na is very near to destination, going to Sakaka, and here now in Aljov Road, but I going to right there in bridge going to Sakaka in RR. Kaya kayo guys, inyo ako samahan sa aking pagpatuloy ng road adventure. So guys, yung kadiretsuhan nitong daan na to, Aljov. Itong daan na to, ang kadiretsuhan niya Aljov, papuntang Jordan, papuntang Burayat. So pagdating dyan sa may tulay na yan, may signboard dyan na papuntang Sakaka, saka RR. Dyan tayo kakanan, dyan sa ibabaw ng tulay na yan. Ito na yan guys. Attention to all truck driver here in Almaray Company, lalong lalo na sa mga new driver to assign here in CPP. If you want to go to deliver here in Sakaka and RR, take this road Burayda to Aljov. Take this road Burayda to Aljov. But if you come here in Aljov, you have signboard here going to this signboard. Can you see this signboard? Sakaka, 57 kilometer and Jordan. But we have signboard here in the top. We have arrow here is going to right. But if you go there in Sakaka RR, take this arrow right before bridge. Just follow the signboard. Just follow the signboard going to Sakaka RR. There are signboard in top, Sakaka RR. So if you go here in right, here in top, the bridge, right side. Just looking there in signboard. Here right. But there in the front we have LRT station. That is LRT station. Here going right. And then go straight. Here are Sakaka Road. This road is going to Sakaka. But please, can you follow the traffic rules here in speed is 80. Long vehicle 80, bus 100, light vehicle 120 speed per kilometer per hour. But the truck is only 80. If you run 81 up, we have police radar here in the highway. But don't do that, because the violation is 150 overspeed real. But I don't know if we have a truck ban here, because now is time is 1300 in military time. But I cannot sure if we have a truck ban in here in afternoon, because all truck is going straight. But also me, I follow the other driver because he's continue to enter here inside the Sakaka. So I'm sorry my friend, but I cannot expert to speak in English. Please, can you understand my asking, because I cannot expert to speak English. I expert speak in Tagalog, Ibanag, Ilocano, like that, Itawis, and also the Filipino language. But here in English is I cannot expert that. This road is continue going there to the depot of Almaray. Depot in Almaray company. This road is going straight. If you search in Google Map, it's better. But this road is a follow. This is a follow for Google Map if you are searching. But be careful, because too much police traffic mobile here in highway. Just follow the signboard. But here signboard is 80 km per hour here track. But there are maybe 20 km we have signboard there speed that the truck is only 70. But here 80. After there in the bridge, we have signboard there 70. But just follow the traffic rules signboard. Because if you cannot follow the rules here signboard, we have violation, but too much loss your money to pay that the violation. But be careful, all my friend. Filipino, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Ghana, Kenya, India, and others. Kenya, Ghana, and others people. All truck, keep right. Here a sideboard. but do not overtake. You go straight. If you come here, you go straight here in the bridge. Do not go there in the right. Here, go straight. Go straight here in that top of the bridge. Lang, hindi natin alam itong ito dito. Kung yan ba yung gumagawa ng trackpad. Ito guys, sakakan na to. Itong daan na to. Sakakan na to ng bayan. Ang bayan ng Sakaka Pagka kumanan ka dyan sa mga signboard na nakalagay dyan na sakaka nakalagay, papuntang bayan ng mga yan. Yung mga kanto-kanto rito. Yan o, yung mga signboard na yan. Papunta dyan sa mga farm, papuntang city, saka city. Here, my friend, go straight under the bridge. Continue to straight. guys, yung pangarga ng ating sinusundan na yan, damo yan. Pagkain ng baka, camel, tupa, kambing, kabayo. Ayan. Yan yung rito, tinatravel dito yung yung damo na nakapandel yan. Machine na nagbandel yan guys. Tapos kinamada ng tao, kinarga ng tao. Yung mga guys, yung mga kasama natin nakaparke. Ilagyan sila ng truck van. Ngayon, kain muna tayo. Dito yung ating ulam. Yan. Sinigang na bangus. At ito yung pangimagas natin, yung pakwan. Masyadong malaki. Yung kalahati kanina, yun. Tinapon na natin. Ito yung kanin. Kanin din guys. Yan naman yung tubig. Tubig na inumin yan. Pero pang hugas ko ng kasi wala akong hugasan na container kung sa likod ng cabin. Kaya halika kayo guys. Kain muna tayo ng panangalian. Guys, continuous. Very straight. We have more and less 30 kilometer before destination of CBP Almaray Depot. I parking there gasoline station because I take lunch, my foods, and now 3 o'clock, so I continue to drive. Going to Sakaka Depot. Continue to straight under the bridge. Continue to straight under the bridge. Continue to straight under the bridge. Very nice place here in Sakaka, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Stone Mountain. That's a product in Kingdom of Saudi. Dates. Agriculture dates. Guys, Almarai Depot. There, you can see there a building, a white building. There. So guys, there is Almarai Depot. There a white building. You can see there, white building. There. That is Almarai Depot. No other building here. That's only one. Almarai. Even you come here evening, you consider because evening is too much light. That is Almaray Depot here in Sakaka. So I will go there. You can see here, very clear to see Almaray Depot. But if you come back here going to Riyadh, you clockwise here. Here, use here in the road. Continue. Doon tayo ikot. We have U-turn there or going there in other place, going to depot here. Oh, here guys, if you go there depot, Sakaka Depot, you use here straight here in the road, and then we have arrow here to right, going to Sakaka City here in the highway. Is front between here in the U-turn here in place. Right. So guys, Now here in my destination, first destination here in Sakaka Depot, Almaray. This is a signboard, tarpaulin, billboard. Almaray quality you can trust. Thank you, Lord, for my safe travel to coming here in my destination. Here guys, Almaray. Oh guys, hanggang dito na lamang ang ating video. Ito'y nakarating na tayo sa ating destination. And guys, ang depot ni Almaray dito sa Sakaka. Here in Sakaka. This is a depot for Almaray here in Sakaka. Doon tayo galing kanina, oh. Yan tayo galing kanina. Doon sa sasakyan na yun. Dumaan na yun. Oh. Doon tayo galing kanina. Yan din tayo babalik mamaya. So, thank you so much for your support to my channel. And also, thank you so much to all my friends to subscribe and share and also like. Thank you so much to all of you. God bless you all.